video this morning like I wanted to, but I am doing it now, a little later in the day. Let's see where my waist is at. Still about the same as it was yesterday, about a quarter over 27. And hips are the same as yesterday, about a quarter over 37. And my thighs are about a quarter over 21. And the scale says 133.6. So that goes to show how much your weight can fluctuate after you eat, because I actually did weigh myself this morning and it said about 131, a little over 131, like 131 and a half. And now it's saying 133.6. So that was this morning, and this is now. It's kind of in the middle of the early evening time. So what time of the day you weigh yourself really doesn't make a difference, because you do fluctuate a few pounds here and there after you eat, and depending on what time of the day it is, you're going to weigh a little bit differently. So, at least my inches are not increasing, just my weight. So I'm just being patient. I find that the only time I ever get cravings for junk food and cooked food is if I don't eat for a few hours and I allow myself to get really hungry. Normally I just graze all day long. I eat every hour, sometimes every half hour. I eat something. So if I don't eat for a while and I allow myself to get really, really hungry, I start craving just a big, fat, vegan burger with a huge pile of French fries and a big cup of Dr. Pepper and, you know, unhealthy things like that. So as long as I just keep myself satisfied, keep my stomach full, and don't allow myself to get really super duper hungry, I find that eating raw is fine and I don't get a lot of cravings. But today I got really hungry. I was busy and I couldn't eat for a few hours, and I got really hungry and I just started craving just some greasy French fries and sugary Dr. Pepper. I used to love, Dr. Pepper was my favorite soda. So, but I didn't give in. I resisted, and because that's the kind of stuff that I was eating that's making me go on a diet program now. So yeah, just keep your stomach full. Don't allow yourself to get really hungry, and the cravings will not be as bad. And I did not go exercising yesterday. I missed a day. So, but I was out working in the garden and in the hot sun, so I did get some exercise, just not that sweaty, heart-pumping jogging exercise, that what jogging does for you. So I'm going to do that right now after I do this video. And so far so good. Just staying patient. And again, I'm still getting anxious and impatient, and I just want results to happen right this second. But I know that's not going to happen. I have to be realistic and just keep walking. If you keep walking, you'll make it to where you want to go. If you just stand still or walk the other way, you're not going to make it to where you want to go. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.